You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious word. If you want to learn more pronunciations in English, including from medicine that is confusing, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you coming up. Erythematosus. Erythematosus. Now the American pronunciation will be more as erythematosus. Erythematosus with a T. That sounds like a D, but in British English. Erythematosus. Erythematosus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.